Stop scrolling. If you are thumbing through 3 years of text messages just to find that one address your friend sent you in 2021, you are wasting your life. Seriously, there is a much better way. Hi, I'm Anna, and welcome to For Real. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly search text messages on your iPhone or iPad. And I'm not just talking about the basic stuff. I'm going to show you the hidden filters that Apple added recently that let you search specific chat threads, something most people think is impossible. By the end of this video, you'll be able to find a photo from a BBQ 5 years ago in literally 3 seconds. Let's dive in. Okay, first things first, open up your Messages app. Now, depending on what version of iOS you're running, you might be staring at the screen thinking, Anna, where is the search bar? If it's not sitting right there at the top, just take your finger and pull down from the middle of the screen. Boom, there it is. This is the master search. Go ahead and type a keyword. Let's try dinner. When you hit search, notice how Apple breaks this down. You get results inside conversations, but you also get a separate section for links and photos. This is crucial because if you know you're looking for a restaurant link, don't look at the text results. Scroll down to the link section and tap See All. It saves so much time. Quick trivia break. Do you know what the very first text message ever sent said? It wasn't "Where are you?" or LOL. It was sent in December 1992 by engineer Neil Papworth, and it simply said, Merry Christmas. Now, here is the problem everyone complains about. You know you sent the text to your mom, so you don't want to search your entire phone. You just want to search her thread. For years, Apple didn't let us do this easily. But with the latest iOS updates, we have search filters. This is the game changer. In the search bar, type the name of the person first. Do not hit enter yet. See that little suggested bubble that says Messages with Name? Tap that. Now, you have a filter applied. Then type your keyword next to it. Now you are only searching that specific conversation. This works for group chats too. Just type the group chat name, select the filter, and search away. I bet you didn't know about that filter trick, right? If that just saved you a future headache, go ahead and hit that like button right now. It helps us figure out which tips you guys actually find useful. Also, let me know in the comments, how many unread messages do you have right now? I'm sitting at 42, and I'm not proud of it. We can take these filters even further. Apple Search is getting smart. You don't have to just search for words. Try typing the word photos and selecting the filter. Then type dog. Your iPhone uses on-device AI to look through the images in your text messages to find pictures of dogs. You don't even need text for this to work. You can also combine filters. You can do messages with John plus links. This is the fastest way to find that YouTube video he sent you 3 weeks ago without scrolling up through a million memes. Now, what if you're lazy or your hands are full? You actually don't even need to open the Messages app to search your texts. From your home screen, swipe down. This is Spotlight Search. Type your phrase here. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a section for messages. This searches your entire device history. It's often faster than waiting for the Messages app to load. Or just ask Siri. Say, hey Siri, find messages from Sarah about dinner. She will read out the specific results and you can even reply right there. It's perfect for when you're driving or cooking. Before we wrap up, a quick troubleshooting tip. If you are searching for a text you know is there, but your iPhone isn't finding it, your indexing might be glitching. Go to Settings, then Siri and Search, find Messages, and make sure Show App and Search is toggled on. If it is on and still failing, toggle it off, restart your phone, and toggle it back on. This forces the iPhone to re-index your texts. And there you have it. You're now a text message detective. No more endless scrolling. If this helped you find that lost message, please subscribe to For Real. We do tech tutorials that get straight to the point. And if you want to learn how to recover deleted text messages, yes, that is possible. Check out this video right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.